Hey, what's going on, guys? It's me, Zeph Plays, and today we are playing something new. Today we are playing eggs with Egg and Joe. Yep, that's right. I called you Joe, Jacob.
Wait,
what kind of picture was that? No!
You don't call Jacob by name.
He's Egg.
No, this is so egg salad.
Well, I think I just died there.
Yep, I just died.
That pun was so bad that I think I just exploded.
This is the time for egg puns. This is the time for egg puns.
Oh, please no.
This is. It's an excellent time to tell egg pun.
You and your egg puns. Hey, I got Strem 2. I mean, I didn't have Strem 2.
I know. It's so
Ah! 2 shot, 1 kill.
Oh, dude, you killed the Taco King, really?
Another shot.
Oh, and the
Crap, I threw the wrong egg. Got her.
I still can't believe you killed the Taco King, though. That's still, I'm
So this game is actually a very interesting game. It's the only game I actually do good at.
What?
This is like the only game I do good at. It's very interesting. The whole point really is to throw eggs at people. And you kill them and you get egg you get eggs you get eggy too. Alright, well there's round 2. Well actually here's round 2. Let the Hunger Games begin, even though this is eggs. Alright, so I got an iron pick.
Ever. I had the best weapon ever.
What? Nothing?
No, it's a stone shovel.
Who did I almost blow up there? Oh.
Jay.
Hey,
Jacob's blinded.
that was me.
I don't even know what team's mine.
No.
Wait, I'm not even ready. Are you really?
Oh. Well, I'm out for round 2. I guess I'll spectate. As you can see, you can get really good luck, like how death just happened there. And you can spectate in people too.
Sugar White just ended up dying.
And there's another guy down. I mean, it's a 1v1v1v3. And you can see this game can really have some turns. So one moment you could be like the beast of everything, and then the next moment you could just have a creeper climbing up the ladder coming to kill you. And then he dies.
No, I came out victorious. Someone's doing a perfectly good butter axe. Someone didn't grab it. What?
Oh wait, what team are you on?
Joe, your reaction to that.
Who's sniping?
There's a green guy on his tower.
On the oh yeah.
No. Oh. The taco was set on fire by the Taco King. The Taco King's still alive? Oh god.
Oh god. You still fell too.
I want you to die.
There was a bridge is the ironic part.
And I'm still gonna fight. Wait, where is he again?
Oh, he's on that side. One shot.
Oh, he has 7.4 health? No. Oh, I had no chance. Oh, the Taco King's a mic? Oh.
He could possibly die here.
What's going on? All I did was tap on him and now I'm part of him.
Yeah, that's a part of spectator.
How do you get out?
Shift.
Oh, okay.
I'm in him.
No, guys, look at no one's gonna win this round.
I'm in
16, 15, 13, 12, 11.
Oh my god, just rush. I hate
No one won.
No one won this match.
No one.
Well, no one won that match.
I'm on red.
And we're here for the third round. And, well, I think green team's going to come out victorious because there's only 2 of us. And 2 is a very good number if you guys didn't know. Because I got 2 iron pickaxes. I told you it was a good number.
2 is a very good number. It is indeed. Oh God! What the heck?
Hey! Oh, you had strength on. Well, I'm out for the third round already. Yeah, like I said, this game can go a lot of different ways. One moment you think you're just a beast, then the next moment that strength happens.
I'm getting sniped at. Who's sniping me? I'm gonna go full chimichanga on someone. Oh, that's Jacob. Yeah, I'm gonna go.
Oh God. He wins this fight. Oh, Joe is going to win. No, never mind.
No!
Yep.
Oh,
he
and I
definitely
still come out victorious with 3.
he comes out. Joe comes out victorious. Now, Creeper. I'm spectating. Hey, he's invisible. He took off all his armor. Will he win, or will he just fall in lava?
Now they
Or will he just fall in lava?
stop falling in lava.
Oh, we win.
And the blue team won. So there's a win from each round of us, I guess. So if you enjoyed this eggs video, I will record another one, and I guess I'll see you in the next episode of this. And bye.